Question is students, prove sine phi plus theta equal to minus sine theta. So solution of this problem students is, we know that students that sine phi plus theta is equal to sine phi and cos theta plus cos phi and sine theta. Now students, we know that sine phi is equal to 0. So 0 multiply cos theta plus cos pi students minus 1. So this will be minus 1 and sine theta. Now students, 0 multiply cos theta is 0 and plus minus is minus sine theta. So the answer is students minus sine theta, which is equal to sine pi plus theta. So this is proof that left hand side is equal to right hand side.